you can uninstall or delete your Temu app. Now Temu is an online market place. It's one of the most popular ones, and you have a lot of items that you can buy here. So I'll teach you guys how you can delete it because okay, you guys might have just stopped shopping or just don't want to shop from it anymore. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And yeah, let's go. Now the first way is that you can just go to the settings, go to your storage first, go to general, and then go to your iPhone storage, and in your iPhone storage just search for Temu. Now scroll down till you find the Temu app. Now it should be right around here. Okay, so here's Temu. Now right here you can offload the app, which will free up storage used by the app, but it will keep its documents and data. You can just reinstall it again and your app's data will be right on it. So that's one way that you can kind of delete it but not completely delete it. And other than that, you can just delete it from right here. Now you can confirm delete from there too, or you can just go to your home page and long press on Temu and tap on remove app and tap on delete app. Again, confirm it, and there you go. And that's how you can delete Temu. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Bye bye.